is a momentous occasion. I mean, the geek in me is amazed that no one would have thought, I think, even when we looked back at the first discovery of the virus, that less than a year later we'd be authorizing and then distributing a vaccine.
The federal government has purchased 20 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine, which requires people to receive 2 doses each, and there's an option to buy 56 million more. The plan is to have the first vaccines distributed as early as next week and to have the entire country vaccinated by the end of next year.
This has been a marathon, and we are nearing the finish line. It's essential that we not let our guard down now and continue adhering to public health measures now and as necessary, even after we have vaccines in arms.
2 of the first few people given the same vaccine in the UK suffered allergic reactions, but they had a history of serious allergies and even carried adrenaline pens. They're now recovering.
We know that with all vaccines, there's a risk of allergic reactions. And that's why when people receive vaccines, we ask that they remain in the area that they get the vaccine for a period of time, usually 15 to 20 minutes, to be monitored.
Canada's Deputy Chief Public Health Officer said nearly 250,000 doses of the 2-dose Pfizer vaccine will be available this month, but the majority of them will be given to long-term care home workers and residents.
There is a limited number of doses of vaccine available in the first quarter of 2021. The groups that should be looked at in terms of priority, obviously because they're at greater risk of either becoming infected, having more severe consequences, but also maybe transmitting to others who are more vulnerable.
There will be 14 sites across the country that will be able to handle the vaccine, which needs to be stored at temperatures between -60 and -80 degrees Celsius. Because of that, the Pfizer vaccine won't be distributed in the Northern Territories. And health officials say they are expecting another 4 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine by the end of March, and they're also counting on an additional 2 million doses of the Moderna vaccine because it's next in line for approval.